Alright, so Lenovo is officially back in the gaming phone game after 4 years, and this is their comeback shot, the Lenovo Legion Y70 2026. First impression, it's not screaming gamer anymore. No wild RGB, no flashy triggers. Just a clean, flagship-style phone with a more premium, minimal design. Under the hood, it's packing Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, paired with 16GB of RAM. On Geekbench, it's pulling around 2,615 single-core and 6,681 multi-core. So yeah, this thing is seriously fast. Battery is wild, 8,000 mAh with $90 fast charging, and Lenovo says you're easily getting up to 2 days of use. Cooling is also no joke. A huge vapor chamber plus liquid metal layering to keep thermals under control. You've got a 6.8-inch 2K 144Hz display, and Lenovo says AI is actually helping reduce power draw without killing performance. Overall, this feels like Lenovo trying to go silent but deadly in the gaming phone space. Now the real question is, can it beat Red Magic this year?